guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips. We're going to be analysing the Nasdaq 100. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group. It is completely free, where I share market analysis, research and signals. You can join by scanning the QR code on the screen, and you can also join with the link in the description of this video. Okay, so moving on to the Nasdaq 100 on the one-day chart, we are currently sitting at $10,977, and as I mentioned previously, you know, this nice 10,600 mark is a lovely cushion. You know, as we have broken out of this short-term downward trend, which we've been in since the 16th of August, and we have now entered, you know, the 0.5, as you can see where I'm highlighting now, and the 0.6 Fibonacci retracement, when we go from our COVID lows all the way to our COVID highs, you know, which is looking long term. So we're looking for long term investments, but we will utilize you know, short term opportunities in this market. And me and the team are currently in an entry. You know, we've got a very bearish candle as of Friday, and exactly what did we get on Monday? We got a nice bullish candle taking us forward. You know, sorry, it wasn't a bearish candle, it's quite a bullish, although it was red, it was a very bullish candle, you know, a bit of a shooting star candle, some people would call it. So and you know, as I did mention previously, you know, this very bullish session and that week of rally towards our 50-day EMA, you know, the opportunity is just too good for investors to ignore. We're at a $6,500 discount, which is fantastic. However, you know, we did get this large, you know, this very big hammerhead candle, which has given us a very, very negative week, and that was just due to reportings from, you know, Amazon, Meta, Apple, Microsoft. All of them are down, you know, massive amounts. You know, looking at, I believe I can't remember the exact percentage off the top of my head, but I believe Microsoft is down 20%. You have like the Meta is down like 15-16%. You have Apple 8% over the last week. You know, and they did have their quarterly reportings, and they were quite negative. So this is why we've seen this, you know, this very bearish week. But as I mentioned, you know, I do see this you know, this market and the price to sort of rally around and bounce around and consolidate between the 0.5 Fibonacci and the 0.6 Fibonacci. Going back to technicals, we have seen a nice breakout of our downward trend. You know, we've broken out, we've hit our 50-day EMA, and we have seen a bit of, you know, bearish pressure to take it back down, and we have pretty much tested. I'm going to consider this a test, you know, of our downward trend. So, you know, we've broken out, we've come to retest it, and also conveniently it is our 0.6 on the Fibonacci retracement. So to me, this is a fantastic opportunity. If you're not part of my signal group already, feel free to join. As I mentioned, it is completely free, or I would highly advise, there is a great opportunity here. It's not too late to get involved in this long opportunity. I personally will be setting targets. You know, I think once it gets to the 50-day EMA, that's kind of where we're gonna see some negativity again, and we may rally around this middle section for a little while. But ultimately, I do see this as quite bearish. But keep targets, you know, respectable. I personally will be heading around the 11,200 mark. But as I mentioned, if you're interested, please feel free to join.